In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell USDT on Bitget using the P2P market so you can quickly convert your crypto into local currency safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure your Bitget account is verified with KYC. This step is essential to access P2P trading. Once that's done, transfer the USDT you want to sell from your spot wallet to either your funding or OTC account. This is where the P2P transactions happen. Next, head over to the P2P trading section by clicking Buy Crypto on the homepage, then selecting P2P Trading. Switch to the Sell tab and choose USDT as your cryptocurrency. Filter the listings by your preferred fiat currency and payment method, like bank transfer or e-wallet. Look for buyers with a high completion rate and good ratings to ensure a smooth transaction. Once you've selected a buyer, click Sell next to their profile. Enter the amount of USDT you want to sell and provide your payment details. The buyer will then have a limited time to send the money. Here's the crucial part. Never release your USDT before confirming that the payment has been received in your bank account or e-wallet. Once the funds are verified, click Release and enter your fund password to transfer the USDT to the buyer. Bitget also offers alternative methods like Bitget Express, which automatically matches you with a buyer, making the process faster, and direct credit or debit card sales for fiat. For safety, always keep your transactions within the Bitget platform. If there's any issue with a buyer claiming to have paid, use the chat or dispute function for assistance. And that's it. By following these steps, you can sell your USDT safely and efficiently on Bitget P2P. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.